Good day, boys and girls. You all know me as the Flash. But we don't want you to be the Flash with this assignment. We want you to take your time, think it over, and work it through. If you would, please pay attention to the video and your teacher. Thank you.
If you completed Lesson 1, Understanding Division, you are going to do all right well with this one. Now, hopefully you've clicked on this button here to obtain the video to explain the directions and answers. You'll notice that what we've done for you is explain what the different parts are. For example, the divisor here is 3. The quotient is 5. The dividend is 16. And you'll notice that we have a remainder just as an example. So, for example, on the first one, you'll notice this is the divisor. Your quotient will be up here, and you have your dividend in the center. Now you'll notice that what we have here are quite a few problems. Some are redundant, and the reason for that because these numbers are pretty simple, and we wanted to give you some time in correcting them, or creating them, I should say. Okay, let's look at an example of what we are talking about. Okay, here is the divisor, and remember this is the dividend. 2 goes into 8 how many times? 4 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Now remember this, how many groups are in 8? And there's going to be 4 groups of 2. Let's do this one. Here's the divisor, here's the dividend. 3 goes into 6 how many times? 2 times. So 2 times 3 is 6. Now remember, we're going to have 3 groups of 2 in 6. 2, 2, and 2. Let's look at this one. 5 and 25. All right. We have the divisor is 5. The dividend is 25. 5 goes into 25 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. There are going to be 5 groups of 5. And the last one I want to show you, where the divisor is a 3 and the 15 is the dividend, right? Your answer should be 5. We have 3 groups of 5. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, if you would please pause the video, complete the rest of the lessons, the division, and then play the video, and we will provide you with the answer. If you would, please pause the video now. Thank you. Okay, we left off with 3 goes into 15 5 times, and the last one on that row is 3 goes into 12 4 times. Now, to expedite this, to make it a little bit quicker for you, I'm going to read for you the divisor and the dividend and the quotient real quick. Okay? 4 goes into 16 4 times, 1 goes into 5 5 times, 5 goes into 10 twice, 4 goes into 25 times, 2 goes into 10 5 times, 4 goes into 12 3 times, 5 goes into 15 3 times, 1 goes into 2 twice, 5 goes into 5 1 time, 3 goes into 9 3 times, 4 goes into 4 once, 1 goes into 1 1 time. Oh, that's a tough one. 2 goes into 4 twice, 3 goes into 3 1 time, 2 goes into 6 3 times. 1 goes into 3 3 times, 1 goes into 4 4 times, 2 goes into 2 1 time, 4 goes into 8 twice, and 5 goes into 20 4 times. Let me scroll down here. Okay. 2 goes into 2 once, 4 goes to 16 4 times, and 4 goes into 12 3 times, and 1 goes into 2 twice, 5 goes into 5 1 time, 5 goes into 25 5 times, 4 goes into 4 once, 5 goes into 15 3 times, 4 goes into 8 twice, and 4 goes into 20 5 times. Please remember how we set this up in Lesson 1. There are 4 groups of 5. So 4 times 5 is 20, right? Or 5 times 4 is 20. Work it either way. So we'd like to thank you for watching our video.
That's all, folks.